Hello and welcome back to Model Fix and sunny England. It's actually sunny today. Another freak sunny day in February, and that's why my eyes are squinting because the sun's actually blaring. I don't know if you can see that. My name's Dan and today we're working on the Cube. Two things today. I'm going to remove the rear tail lights and maybe show you how to replace the bulbs, and I'm also going to remove the rear bumper. So two things for this video. Main reason I'm doing it is because I've noticed a bit of rust behind there and I want to treat it. So hopefully some of this stuff will be useful to you. So I'll see you in a minute. Put the car up on ramps to give us a bit of extra working space. And then we just have a look at the bolts around the car. So there's a bolt here, one on the other side. And then if we go under the arch, there's a little bolt there. Here, there's one bolt there. And then there are two right at the bottom. So one there and one on the other side. So let's remove all of those and see where we get to. Handy little tip, bit of lube goes a long way. So any bolts or nuts that are outside, give them a spray of this. Leave them for a bit, not necessarily this, I'm not sponsored by Plus Gas, but any penetrating fluid, use it and leave it for a little while and then crack them off. Especially on these old Jap motors, bolts tend to like to snap, they get rusty. This is an import, so hopefully we'll be alright. First of all, let me show you tail light removal because I need to get them out anyway, and it's quite easy when you know how, but when you don't know it's very puzzling. So first of all, number plate has a little clippy on it on the back, which mine is missing, which clips into that hole there. So you would see some that fly around like this, but anyway, so you pop that number plate up, and behind there is this 10mm bolt. Undo that. Okay, that's out, and then what you have to do is slide the headlight to the left if it's the driver's side, and to the right if it's a passenger. Slide it to the left and then just pull it out. And then if you want to take it all the way out, you have to pull this metal bit out and then take all the loom off, which I might be doing unless I can just leave it dangling. Yeah, I can leave it dangling. It's not even touching the floor. What I do want to do is change some of the bulbs. My side light bulbs gone, so I'm going to change that, and I'll show you that quickly actually. So that is one of these T20, T21 type double filament bulbs. I don't know if you can see that. This one looks okay. Usually you can tell because the filament's actually broken or makes a noise when you wiggle it around. This one's not, but I'll just pull that out. It's one of those wedge type slot in ones. Just show you the numbers on it so you can take them down for your own reference. W21 5W, double filament, and the wedge type, and that will go straight in like I can do it with one hand. Let's try that, and that's in, and then you just twist it back in. Okay. That's bulb replacement. Same principle for any of these. I think these are different. Let me just check them. Okay, this is an indicator bulb. It's the same principle, but it's a single filament. And this is a reverse. I don't actually know what number the bulb this would be. It's not a 501. It's not a W20, but it's a wedge type, and it's in between the two. Put that back in. Aha, sometimes you tug a little bit harder than you should and reveal something new. There's actually a plug here on the tail light that you can undo, and it removes the tail light totally for you, which is very handy. The Japanese, they think of everything, don't they? Squeeze that baby down and pull it out, and out it comes. One tail light in the boot with loads of other stuff that's got to be fitted to the car. Can we guess what's in this box? Aha! Okay, so as predicted, these two little babies here that live in the world of salt and rust have actually snapped clean off in true Japanese style. So I'll attend to them a bit later, but we've got all the other bolts out. There's 2 additional clips underneath here and here, so I'm just going to take those 2 out and then attempt to pull the bumper out. Okay, it's all out now, so I'm just going to pop this out. Oop, that was good. And then just pop the other side out. Okay, and it looks like that's the bumper off, guys. Yay! Okay guys, so the bumper is off. There were a few little fiddly bits like the fog light, I had to unscrew it. The 2 additional wires I showed you in a previous video, one to the side lights and one to the reverse light for the reverse camera. I had to just snip them and I'll put a plug on them later. And the reverse camera, I had to unscrew that. So apart from that, you can actually leave the lights in the bumper and just undo the plugs. There's another plug for the passenger side one. So yeah, you can just undo those plugs if you want and undo the bumper. But if your car is an import like mine, more than likely you'll have lots of additional stuff to remove. The other thing I wanted to say was, and another reason I wanted to know how to remove this bumper was because it's in a bit of a state, to be honest, so I need to rub this down and paint it again at some point. Okay guys, I think we're going to call it a wrap on this video about here, because for any of you that are interested in the removal of the bumper or the tail lights, this covers everything, so we'll call it part 1 or something like that. The rest of the video is actually focusing on the rust repair, which turned out to be a bit more work than I anticipated. So if you're interested in the rust repair, go on ahead and watch the next part. It was a lot of work and there's some interesting bits in there. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and do a like, hit that thumbs up button and hit the notifications button so when a new video comes out, you'll get to see it as soon as it comes out. So on that note, I will see you later. Bye for now.